everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about, quote, off-grid laundry supplies. What I'm talking about here is for when the power's out or a SHTF situation, into the world where there's no more power coming to your house, and you need to do laundry. Now, I've talked about in some of these before about having your laundry soaps, having washboards. Well, think of it for bigger, longer term situation, because in a disaster situation, you may find yourself doing a lot of laundry, a lot more. Last year on one of my live streams, I had Mouse Toast up here, and she was talking about the situations down in Florida where they have the hurricanes come through, and when they're cleaning up afterwards, she was saying like sometimes they're changing their clothes 2-3 times a day because they get so dirty and sweaty and wet and nasty, and they just change their clothes. Well, they've got a lot of laundry to do, so you got to figure that you're going to be doing a lot of laundry. Just because you're in SHTF doesn't mean doing laundry stops. Oh no, it means it increases. Now, there's a lot of things. You get these little, powered, hand-powered or foot-powered washing contraptions where you put a couple pieces of clothing in it, add a little bit of water and soap to it, and it has a little pedal thing or a hand crank on it. You do it back and forth, and after a while, you have two or three clean pieces of clothing. Well, if you're doing a lot of laundry, you're going to want to be able to do something a lot more than just a little at a time. Now, of course, big laundry tubs is something you can still pick up now. I mean, Home Depot carries these big old huge metal tubs that look like the ones they were using back 100 years ago. So think about what you can do to make laundry easier for yourself. One of the things that I have set up here, ready to go if I need to, I have a bunch of 45-gallon trash cans with lids. I use them for different things around the property. Well, one of those is designated to become a washing machine. Now, the way it works is I have my trash can, I take the lid, put a hole in the lid, put a handle through it, and I have it make it maybe like a big potato masher that goes inside on that handle. And so I put the clothes in there and it agitates and works the clothes up and around without damaging the clothes, and gets the water flowing through it and cleaning the clothes. It's simple, easy to do. It's thinking outside the box. And so there's a lot of different things you can do. You can also invest in clothes wringers right now. They can sell them, a lot of different places. Amazon has a bunch of them on there. I know a lot of people like shopping Amazon, but you can check other outlets and stuff like Lehman's, and you can get a hand crank clothes roller. So after you've done your washing, you put it in and it wrings most of the water out, and you have a couple of those. When you wring all the soapy water out, and you can put it through a rinse bucket and get it out, and then wring it out again. All right. So think about what you need to make your laundry situation work when there is no power for laundry machines, for washing machines. All right. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, and the things to keep your clothing clean. Why? Because you don't want to end up like this.